up, everyone? My name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Hey everyone, like I said, my name is Mark Plant, and this is MPV Vlogs. Thanks for coming in, and I do appreciate it. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. Helps me make videos like this, helps me make purchases of these videos. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, let me know what you think. Okay, for this video, a little backstory. I had a Synology NAS, network storage device, that I've been using for about 6 years. Well, a couple weeks ago, it fried. One of the hard drives fried on it. And the unit itself was on its last leg. I've been having problems with it connecting to it and such. So I was going to purchase a new Synology NAS because I did like the way that it worked. The only problem is with the new Synology NAS is you have to purchase Synology hard drives from it. When I purchased this one here, you could use any hard drive, just about any hard drive. I used Western Digital. They worked great until the hard drive fried. It was running for 6 years, so that's, good time. But to have proprietary hard drives, they're more expensive. And the other thing that just came out recently is Synology is not going to be supporting certain video codecs or video files or processing. So that's basically what I use my NAS for. I have all of our DVDs, VCR tapes, Blu-rays. Mine's not working there, and they were all on the NAS. So if I'm not going to be able to use them, the Synology would be useless to me. So I did a little bit of research, and there's a new NAS that came out roughly about a year ago. The company is called Ugreen. They've been around for a while. They've done mainly cables, charging cables, and stuff like that. But they've become pretty powerful with the NAS. The one that I purchased is a 4-bay NAS. It's the 4800 Plus. And I didn't do an unboxing video because there are so many out there. I don't know the technical terms to make the video interesting, so I didn't do an unboxing video. Like I said, I didn't know what I was doing. But I have it up and running now. The thing runs beautiful. It is so easy to use. But one of the problems that you do have with a NAS, and it's a solution that I was looking for, an economical solution, is to have some sort of battery backup. Because where I have my network storage device, we tend to lose power quite often. And a sudden shutdown of the NAS, just like your computer at home, can destroy a hard drive. So I've been looking for something so that it was shut down in time, so I wouldn't destroy any hard drives. So I got notification about a week ago that Ugreen has their own battery backup. This is the DC UPS battery backup made by Ugreen. Contains 2 lithium-ion batteries inside. They are 12 volt, 10 amp to 19 volt, 7 amp. And the output is 12 volts to 10 amps with a 120 watt max. And the way this works is it connects right to the NAS. If I were to lose power, it will shut down my NAS instead of just completely cutting it right off and basically save my hard drive. But one of the things with this also is the software on the NAS will detect when the power comes back on, and which will boot my NAS back up. So what do you say? We're going to hook this up and see how it works. I'll unbox the video first and we'll see what's in it. Okay, inside the box here, I'll open it up, this is the battery backup here. This is the whole thing right here. Okay. What we basically do is we take the power cable that's going into my NAS right now, plug it in here, and then this plugs into where it plugged in on the NAS. Okay. And the USB-C plugs into the back of the NAS also. That way it'll boot back up when it's all ready. I warn you, where my NAS is right now is a mess. We had a construction emergency in my house. The wall behind in my office, we had damage outside. It had to be rebuilt, so everything's not back in place, so it's not completely in order yet. So be aware of that. I apologize for the mess, but all right. So let's put this stuff aside. Let's get over where you can see. All right. So we got the back of my NAS here, and this here is the power cord. So I've already booted down the NAS, and all we have to do is pull this out. That plugs in right here. Plug this in to there. Take the USB-C there. And we plug it into one of those there. And that's it. That's how easy the installation is. It could not have been easier. Okay, it is that easy. Just plug it in, turn her on, and let it go. But then once you're done with that, you go into the control panel. Okay, you got hardware and power here. And you go over here to your UPS. Okay, it's a USB connection. Okay, it's the Ugreen, so we want to connect it. Okay, and then you have your settings here. And you can have whatever all the different settings here. But what I want to do is I want to have it automatically shut down when power is lost to the NAS. I want to execute right away. And I'm not sure how we get it to automatic. I think it'll automatically boot up. So let's see. Let's apply that. It's successful. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over and I'm going to simulate the house, or my house losing power. So let's see how this works. Okay, so we'll unplug the power. As soon as it unplugs, the NAS is shutting down. Get the notice there, and the device is shutting down. It takes a few seconds for that to go through. And there it is. It's shut down now. I believe that it will automatically boot up if I plug it back in. Let's try that. Okay, it's got power back now. There it did. It booted right back up. I lost connection to my folders here. Okay. So let's go over here and log in. It usually takes about 5 to 15 minutes. It's usually about 2 or 3. So I'll come back when it's done. There we go. I'm back in on my NAS. That is beautiful. All right, that couldn't have been any more easy. I know enough with the network storage devices to get myself in trouble, but that was incredibly easy. And for the price of this UPS from Ugreen, it was $99 for it. If I lose power and I fry one of the hard drives in the network storage device, they're at least $100 a piece. So it's well worth the investment. Like I said, there's the simplicity of Ugreen. The setting up that NAS was very simple, and this was very simple. So I don't know what to say. One thing that I do want to say is that I did purchase this on my own. I'm not sponsored by Ugreen. I would like to be if they want to contact me. But their product so far, I'm very happy with. Very easy to use, very quick to use. I have put all of my video files on the backup. I have put all my photos on this backup. And it's so easy to access them anywhere. I access them when I'm on the road, on a job. It's just that easy. The NAS backs up my photos from my phone. I don't even have to do anything. It automatically does it for me. So if you're looking for network storage, and today with the amount of media that we have, you need it. Take a look at Ugreen. Other than using like Dropbox or the Apple Cloud, those monthly fees are they'll kill you. This here is a little bit of an investment, but if you look at it over time, it pays for itself. So that's it. That's this video. Thanks for watching. I do appreciate it. Like I said earlier, if you are new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button down on the bottom. It really does help out the channel a lot. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave me a comment below. I'll do my best to answer them. Any questions that you have that I don't know the answer, I'll try to get the answer, and it'll help both of us out. That way I learn about it also. Ugreen, it's the US3000 UPS backup. So far, so good. But like I said, that'll be it. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys again real soon.